Alright. We had to clean the ET6 to get compression back, but as you can see, we got compression now, so we're going to try it with this governor or carb off of the ET8, and this immediately flooded. Okay, yeah, it is sloppy and flooded in there. Okay. Alright, let's find our... Oh, let's air this out and see if I can get this to run. But I have a feeling this is just going to flood out real bad with this carb on here, which is really kind of irritating. But it does explain why I had so much trouble with the ET8 with this carb. If it's always dumping too much fuel for one of these to run with. Okay. Yep. That is very flooded. Is completely closed, and the high-speed setting is set as far closed as it can get. It leaks enough fuel to keep the ET6 running, so we'll let that go and try some other stuff out. Big cooling hopper on the ET8. The ET6 is thumping along there using the other car. But we've got the ET8 set up with the ET6 carburetor on it. You know, it would help if I had put fuel in this. I was busy getting set up and forgot to put fuel in it. Which is better than forgetting to connect the fuel line and dumping a lot of fuel in the tank and having it all run out all over the table, so...